Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you LUV Flow Drops Nootropic Liquid Supplement Review. So, you might be wondering what is LUV or LUV Flow Drops that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, LUV Flow Drops here is a liquid nootropic style dietary supplement made with 5 organic adaptogenic mushrooms. Now, these are just information that we could get here. So, that includes lion's mane, cordyceps, turkey's tail, and reishi and chaga. According to the official website, it is designed to support mental focus, clarity, energy, stress management, and also uh, productivity and immunity and overall physical and mental well-being. Now, the company here says each serving provides around 500 milligrams of proprietary mushroom blend. Now, these are information you could get in here if you visit their descriptions, as you can see right now. So the formula uses what we call or use the 10:1 extracts of the 5 mushrooms with MCT oil, stevia, and natural flavors as the other ingredients. Now, the website says the mushrooms are USDA certified organic, and the product is vegan friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, sugar-free, and made in the USA with batches third-party lab tested. Now, how do you exactly enjoy this LUV Flow Drops here? Now, the recommended serving here is 1 to 2 full droppers daily or as needed. Now, you want to place the droppers under your tongue and hold them there for about 1 minute before swallowing. Now, the company here says this sublingual method is intended to maximize absorption. It also suggests using the drops in the morning before the gym or whatever you want an additional boost here. Now, according to the website here, so the product may start to work around within like 10 to 40 minutes with results potentially improving over time. Now, the official website here currently lists the product at around $49 as you can see right now for one bottle and around $129 for 3 bottles and $349 for 12 bottles. Although availability can vary here, so you may need to check their website which option or package that you can actually purchase. And LUV or Love also offers a 100% money back guarantee. So you could read more about those what you could get or features you can what you can enjoy in buying from their website directly from them. So in simpler terms here, LUV Flow Drops is a mushroom based liquid supplement that you take under the tongue, with the manufacturer positioning as a convenient daily option for focus, energy, stress management, and overall wellness here. Now, if you do have any questions or like clarifications for the product itself, you could also reach out to them by their contact us page or by going to their FAQ page, or if you do proceed on subscribing to their products, you could also manage your subscription via their official website, as you can see right now. Now, buying from them is quite easy. You just need to visit their website, and you can go and just click on the add to cart here, and you can go and just basically click on checkout and just fill out the necessary details, and that includes your payment details, your address, and also all the necessary information in order for you to complete your purchase here. Now, since this is a dietary supplement, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is always recommended, especially if you take medications, have a medical condition, or are unsure whether the ingredients are suitable for you, especially if you do have certain allergies on certain ingredients in here. It's better to consult your doctor. And this applies for any kind of products that you may be taking for the first time. But that's about it. So friends, very helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.